Students pay for ICA through the general fee. In 2009, $575 of the general fee went to ICA. This year, student costs via the general fee jumped about 10% to $625. In addition, ICA had to be subsidized once again out of money intended for education and administration. This is what is referred to as the deficit. Each student's share of that deficit was about $50. Almost every student, that is paying $675 this year, $2,700 over 4 years, to support ICA. Ironically, the lone exceptions to this rule are athletes on full scholarship, whose general fees, along with tuition, books, housing, food, and all other school expenses, are paid by other students through the general fee. Ohio undergraduates pay about $200 per year more to attend Ohio University than they would to attend Ohio State. Yet, $615 less of each student's annual payments goes into the fund that pays for instruction and administration of the university. That is because at OU, $800 more of each student's payments is diverted into auxiliary accounts via the general fee. $625 of that $800, along with almost $1 million generated by tuition and subsidy, goes to pay for ICA's cost to campus. Buckeye Athletics at OSU pays for itself. Bobcat Athletics at OU saps enough money from the budget, as we have said, to fund entire colleges. These are the data as I can most accurately and honestly establish them. I have in a couple of places offered some numbers that are more suggestive than precise, and I have a couple of times stated things rather provocatively for emphasis. But to the best of my knowledge, I have stated nothing false or misleading. And on the crucial question of ICA's cost to campus, the $15.3 million is very close to accurate. If other people have additional relevant data or data more accurate than mine, they should bring them to the table, and all of us should welcome their contribution. In light of the best data we can obtain, we should engage in serious and honest discussions to evaluate the costs of ICA, particularly given the ongoing need to cut expenses at OU. I would suggest at least 3 broad lines for evaluative questions. The first asks the cost-benefit question that all good business leaders must ask. What are the benefits? And are those benefits worth the costs? The second concerns our unique identity as a university. Branding, as I think it is commonly called today. Does our $15 million annual investment in ICA improve the substance or even the image of our educational product in a way that will win us strategic advantage over other universities? And third, this line of questioning concerns justice. It asks whether we are treating our students and their parents justly by diverting almost $3,000 of their costs over 4 years away from support of substantive education to subsidizing Bobcat athletics. The faculty at Berkeley, supported by the Drake Group and the Coalition on Intercollegiate Athletics, has formally proposed that no money at all should be transferred from the main budget to the support of ICA, and that general fee support should be allocated to athletics only as voted by the student body, not by the student senate. And on these bases, I hope that we can proceed with some very fine discussion.